Hi everyone. Today I wanted to show you how you can create your roster on myON and how you can sign into your account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to myon.com. Make sure that the school name is as seen here. So it's Telford Lawn School. Your username is your DOE account, and your password, if you did not change it last year, is the number 1 and then the first 2 letters of your last name. And then you click sign in. If you are a new teacher, you might not have an account created for you for myON, so you can email me at this email to have an account created for you. When you sign in, it brings you to the myON dashboard that looks like this. Right now you can see I only have one student assigned to my class because I have not created my roster yet. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So when you log into myON, you're going to click on Classroom and then Students. There are a few different ways that you can create your roster. If you have students in your class that were at PS50 last year, which is most of us, you're going to click on Assign because they already have myON accounts created for them. If you have students that are not from PS50 or not from the Department of Education, you're going to create a student account for them by clicking on this plus sign. When you click on Assign, this is what comes up. All of the students that are already on your roster will appear on the left side of the screen. And on the right side of the screen is where you will search for some of your students. So I'm going to add some of my students now. You could search by their name, their ID, or if you know their usernames already, you could search by that. So you just start typing their name and they come up over here. When you find the student that you are looking for, you just click the plus sign. You can do this for multiple students at a time. Just keep clicking on the plus sign. And then once you've added your students, all you have to do is click on apply and they will be added to your roster. If you have a student that you cannot find when you click on assign and you are trying to find them in our school, you're going to create a student account for them by clicking on this blue plus sign. You'll need to put in their student ID, their username. Most of the students' usernames is just their first initial and their last name, or their OSIS number. And their password is usually just the number 1 and the first 2 letters of their first name. When you are creating an account for them, sometimes it might come up that their username is already existing because they have an account with another New York City school if they came from another school. If that happens, you have to email me the names of the students with their ID numbers so that I can add them to our school building and they can be added to your roster. So just to recap, students can be added to your roster by clicking on Assign and then searching for their names. If you are not able to log into your account for any reason, please send me an email and I can reset it for you. You can also use the reset password option when you try to log in with your DOE account. And if you have any other questions or have any problems creating your roster, please send me an email and I will help you with it.